Hey everyone, welcome to EduMuch.com's brand new YouTube channel. We're going to be talking anything and everything education, all day, every day. At EduMuch.com, we're all about education.
This is Nate, and with us today we have
Andy.
We're going to be discussing the evolution of grammar and writing enhancement software. If you remember, when Windows 3.1 and 95 came out, spell check was a new revolutionary software type. It changed the way we learned how to spell and read and write. As you know, with the devolution, or de-evolution, if you will, of the English language, people today know how to spell less and less because of computer technology. The next wave of software enhancement for writing is grammar checkers. Today we're going to give our Ginger grammar checker review and discuss its changes and upgrades from your standard spell check software.
I remember mine, Windows 1995 computer.
Yeah, those
It
were
had
the days.
1.3 gigabytes of hard drive space.
That was a lot. So to begin, a grammar checker should not be confused with a spell checker, right? A spell checker will do the simple, basic check for spelling, and it can do light grammatical errors, but it will generally tell you, oh, this is a fragment, consider rephrasing.
Yeah.
It won't give you an actual suggestion to fix it.
Grammar checkers actually have extremely complex algorithms used to correct grammar. This is extremely necessary to be on top of syntax, style, and context.
And as we said, spell checkers just aren't built with these kind of algorithms and code to figure this stuff out. It's not made that way. Grammar checkers are built with that in mind.
Exactly. Writing is an entirely human concept, so you practically have to build something with AI to correct grammar.
And that's, as we said, it's an evolution of writing enhancement software. Spell check is not cut out for it, while grammar checkers are built with this in mind.
Now let's specifically talk about Ginger Grammar Checker. Ginger actually reviews and proofreads your text in any window and is fully compatible with Microsoft Office as well as web browsers.
So that kind of means that Ginger can sit in the background and any text appearing on your screen, whether you're typing within Chrome or Firefox or in Word, OpenOffice, WordPerfect, the list goes on. You can have it running and it will cross-check the text on the screen regardless of what program it's in to make sure that you have correct spelling, grammar, syntax, the whole spiel.
I used it. I remember it had you can see a block G at the top of your screen that you can just go to, and it folds down with a list of options. Extremely easy to use.
Yeah, I use it every day on my computer. It speeds up my writing and editing because it just means I have less work to do because it does part of the work for me.
Now, some of the interesting features that Ginger has is a text-to-speech option.
Now, what is text-to-speech, Andy? Please explain.
Well, it's perfect for those with reading disabilities or those studying English as a second language. Essentially what happens is it takes your text and speaks it out to you and explains what's wrong with it and how it can be fixed.
Meaning you'll write something out, it will read it back, and then say, okay, here's the mistakes here, etc., and give you kind of pointers on it.
Exactly.
Interesting. I don't think any kind of spell check does that.
No, I actually haven't found any other ones on the market that do.
Interesting. Okay. What other features does Ginger have?
It has word prediction, which actually predicts your next word in real time as you are writing.
I wonder how they came up with that algorithm. It probably just has to do with context clues, things like that. But that just goes to show you how complex and advanced the algorithm has become.
Exactly. And you would think that what it does is it learns from you, right? That's what you would think. I tried it, and when I was using it, it was actually predicting words before I had even used it. This is my first time using it, and it was predicting accurately, I might add, the next word that I was going to write.
So it's not just like some software learns from you and what you do to make it in the future.
Exactly.
It already had it built in.
Exactly.
That's amazing.
Now, it also has a personal English trainer.
What's that?
It's an instant language enhancer that tailors it entirely to you. It helps the user learn from your mistakes by analyzing repeated errors and providing suggestions. At the end of any session, you can sit there and look at your suggestions, and it will tell you, I've noticed that you have a certain problem with commas. Here's a lesson.
Interesting. So it will see repeated errors that you make and bring it up to you for correction.
Exactly.
That's amazing. So as you can see, this is a step above and beyond spell check. It's not even on the same playing field. I would definitely say grammar checker versus spell checker. Definitely Ginger 1, spell checker 0. I don't even think they're really in the same ballpark. I believe in the future, what we're going to do is we're going to compare side by side various grammar checkers in our quest to find the best grammar checker available. Because
Exactly.
I don't think that
That
I don't think they don't compete. I just think there's no competition between spell check and grammar checker.
Definitely grammar checkers are the only thing for us to look at nowadays.
Well, thank you so much. I'm Nate with EduMuch.
And I'm Andy.
Follow us on YouTube. Join our email list. We do a lot of giveaways. We give away books, ebooks, Amazon products. We have a lot of sponsors. People love a lot of the content we're putting out. So don't forget to check us out at edumuch.com. Check out our reviews. Check out our articles. It's a great place to just hang out. Have a great day, Internet.
Bye-bye.